How you doing, everybody? I'm back today, October what? 27th. You're watching this. Well, what can I tell you? What can I tell you? You're looking right now at Shiba Inu price, and there's no other way to explain this, but oh my lord. Wow. Wow, wow. If you weren't part of earlier live stream, we were just going through what was happening, what's going on, and I went to do something. I went to work, and bam, what in the world happened right in front of my eyes? That is what we're gonna be talking today. I'm seeing the price on TradingView, Coinbase, 5 days, 5 minutes. Cannot believe it. So welcome aboard. Uh, well, what I can tell you right now to start is that as in the last 2 hours, massive explosion when it comes to sell off, sell off, sell off. And I'll tell you right now everything. I'll tell you right now everything. Get comfy, everyone. We're chilling. We're not rushing. We're chilling. We'll be here for a while. And I see Meet Kevin. I see other Shiba Inu content creators meeting up, having an amazing conversation. I see all of it. And yes, Coinbase is down, my guys. What's going on? Like, look at this. We have a bad gateway arrow back to Coinbase, and nothing is going on. So definitely, this is gonna be affecting the relationship that some users have with Coinbase. What do you guys think? My lord. So I'm gonna get comfy. I'm back from work. Work was great. Praise the Lord God Almighty. We're back sharing knowledge, getting your supports, getting your comments, and just having a great time. So come on over. The question here it is 1 cent possible? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, everyone. I was absolutely wrong when it comes to Shiba Inu at the beginning of everything, and now we're seeing magic happen, and boom, incredible stuff. So welcome aboard, guys. Mauricio, Six Band, you're back again. I know I'm back. Just a little bit more, couple more minutes, maybe an hour or so, and just to see the action, because I love it. I kind of like to discuss about it with you guys and just have a nice understanding of what's happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and start messing up with the chart because I love it. This is what just happened a couple hours ago, and let's say we are on. We are exactly. It seems that there's more exchanges that are seeing this issue. I don't think it's a coordinated attack, but what do you guys think? So let's see. Let's see this beauty. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this magnificent rise about here, which here it is. My arrow marker. Bam. Oh gosh. So what we're looking right now, everyone, is there you go. 4088. 4088. Insane. So as I was working, I was checking the price of Shiba Inu, obviously, because I mean, what else can we do today? And I was just looking at it. Wow, look at all the movements. So right about here, I will say around 2 p.m. or so, it's when all the issues started because the price was just going berserkers. It was going just nuts. I wouldn't be surprised if people are dumping their portfolios into Shiba Inu. I'm not surprised either. To tell you the truth, I'm not surprised either. Cheers. Oh, delicious. We got some good water right here. Woo! What a beauty. What a beauty. We're back, everyone. We're back talking and looking at the prices of Shiba Inu, reactions, comments, having a good time, and going through this as a family, as one team, one goal. As we start to get more people, well, what is happening right now, of course, people are considering dumping their entire portfolios into Shiba Inu. You're seeing the price right now. You're seeing the price action right now, and it seems tempting, right? It seems like, wow, like we can make a lot of money, and definitely you can make stupid amount of money here. I made money already in Shiba Inu. Let me tell you, I put in $100 yesterday because one of my awesome viewers here donated, and I was able to put that money into Shiba Inu. And just earlier today in the live stream, I was able to put even more money because of the people donated. And that money right now, my position started at 4069. 4069. So right now, of course, definitely booming and making money. So I'm gonna show you right here. So still Coinbase is, look at this. What I can still see is Coinbase Pro, but I don't want to refresh it. But I have $65 profit on Shiba Inu. Yes, I love it. $65 profit. Love it, love it, love it. I think that's the entirety of what I wanted to do. Here on Coinbase, on Coin Market Cap, let me see what do I have here. So, guys, do you see how Shiba Inu broke Dogecoin and USD coin? And at that moment, it's when I saw that the Shiba Inu issues on the exchanges were starting to happen. Right after it passed Dogecoin and USD coin, I saw it. It was like a 35, 34 billion, and the all issues started to happen with Shiba Inu. Oscar, alert, alert, Coinbase not working. I know it's still broke. Still broke. Look at this. It cannot even start. That is so huge, right? Let's see the holders. Let's see what's going on here. It was 800,000 or something. Well, it seems that it's still increasing 2%. That is cool. And 92, 992, which is still burning, still decreasing. Whoo! This was something I wasn't seeing before. Let me tell you something right now. This type of volatility that I'm seeing up and down, the candlesticks very crazy, acting very crazy. That wasn't looking like that earlier in the live stream, but seems that things happen today. Let's just look at this booming, nice level of volume here and the sell-offs. Huge stuff. I want to actually go ahead and look at the RSI and the Bollinger Bands and see what's going on. I want to see this in the year to date. Of course, definitely this is nowhere to compare it. So what you're seeing right now in the year to date, guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and make sure these lines are a little bit brighter because I cannot even see it, and I'm doing this. There you go. So everything is way overbought, which means that, of course, some people might want to start selling some positions, which is okay. Makes total sense for them. The Bollinger Bands is telling me that the price is extremely up, so that still makes sense. The fact that it is, retracing a little bit back shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. I'm going to go ahead and close the Bollinger Bands. Shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. It's just so fun, to be honest with you guys. The fact that it's still 4080. What in the world? 4080, everyone. Welcome aboard. Cannot believe it. 4080. Wow. I bought it earlier today at 4060, and I was like I was doing the live with you guys, and some of you saw it, and boom. Yesterday I bought it thanks to you guys because you donated to me, and now today I bought it, so I'm making money. Now on the other hand, my AM token, Algorand, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, much more holders. Are you still holding your tokens, your coins? My answer to me is I'm still holding mine. What I'm putting on Shiba Inu is money that I have allocated and dedicated for specific type of projects like this. Let's look at what you have to say, guys. Can you check for any updates in Twitter for Coinbase? Johnny Castro. Yes, I'll do it for you. Absolutely. Can get on Coinbase what wrong? Yeah, I mean, for all of you who are experiencing issues on Coinbase, which I am experiencing issues on Coinbase too, do not be afraid. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. We're going to have some issues on Coinbase. So right now, I'm going to check the status and look at this. So what's happening is like Coinbase.x is experiencing connectivity issues. This is nothing but Shiba Inu. This is nothing but Shiba Inu. This is all Shiba Inu, guys. Right about here. This is all Shiba Inu because I've been in Coinbase for a while and this hasn't happened ever on Coinbase. And just today, when Shiba Inu starts to blow up, and oh wow, I made even more money. I made $80 on Shiba Inu. There you go. Oh boy, it feels so great to make money, right, guys? I'm gonna refresh. So Coinbase Pro, where I buy my Shiba Inu, it's up, but normal Coinbase, it's just dead. You see what I'm saying? Oh, look, the status unknown at the bottom. It's not even loading. Oh, there it is. Wow. So there you guys have it. Mauricio, are you adding to AMP here? Absolutely. I'm always adding to my positions for long term. Absolutely. That's a great question. Look at those candlesticks going. Oh boy, look at those candlesticks going so crazy. Man. So here's the latest all-time high, 4088 on Coinbase. And we do a Fibonacci retracement with extensions. And this is what's happening right now, which is insane that I'm doing this Fibonacci retracement at such a high price. It's just amazing. But if we want to do a Fibonacci in the last 4 hours, this is what you're going to look like. And wow, insane stuff, right? It's between 79, 80. Yes, it is at a good price, to be honest with you. Just look at this. This is how it is close from the all-time high. What? Man. Man. That is insane stuff. Burn, baby, burn. I know, right? I know. So you guys liking the live stream, go ahead and give us a like. So YouTube starts recommending this live to more people and more people get to know about Shiba Inu. That'll be pretty cool, right? And thank you to all of you. Thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, members, and anyone in between. Why am I doing this again? Because one, it is what's happening right now. It is great to converse and connect with my community. And I like it. And I have time. That's another one. But we'll be here for a while. And thank you so very much, guys. What is the difference between Coinbase and Coinbase Pro? That here you pay less fees than on Coinbase. It seems that is the difference. That's the main difference that you're gonna see. 4081. My lord, 187%. And just take a look at everything. Everything is pulling back down, but Shiba Inu is the one that is leading. Even the coin perspective is not getting it because everything is just so cluttered and nasty right now with all the systems. On Etherscan, I still see everything increase, so there's more people coming. Coinbase is still an error. I'm making money on Shiba Inu, so I'm super happy. I'm super happy. I think at this point, you want to look for something like this, guys, for these nice retracements. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Personally, I always want to see even a bigger push down. But whatever you can get, that is exactly what you want to put your stop losses, your buy orders somewhere around these times, right? But it is not right that after it happens is when you kind of start seeing what's going on. I'm so happy with my little $100 2 weeks ago. Oh, Michael, you are rocking it, my friend. You are rocking. Oh, boy. Look at that. Look at those candlesticks, everyone. That is just madness. That is just madness, everyone. Complete madness. Like that wasn't earlier today. It wasn't like that earlier today, but that is insane. You bought back at 406, but I don't know where it was because it was in Coinbase Pro when it was down. I like to see some consolidation, Tony. Me too. Let me tell you, Shiba broke the internet pretty much, to be honest with you. It pretty much broke it. Like I was working and I was checking Twitter and I was checking YouTube and I was checking everything and it was just like going nuts. Nuts. This is crazy, absolutely. Like we all understand that we have our favorite tokens, You have AM token, you have coins like Cardano, Ethereum, you have other projects, XRP, XLM. You have other different projects, which those are amazing projects that I want you to hold, that I want you to always learn, that I want you to really get in touch with the fundamentals, right? Because that's what's gonna give you financial freedom in the upcoming years. But oftentimes you always have these crazy opportunities. Just look at that candlestick. My lord, what is this? This is the most craziest thing that I've seen in my life. Haven't seen that in a while, let me tell you. Haven't seen that in a while. So I was watching some of the other Shiba Inu creators live stream, and they experienced this, and that was nuts. That was so awesome. I was working, but anyway, I still was able to participate as a viewer. Insane stuff. It passed Dogecoin. Yes, it did. And by looking at this, gosh, what is the current market cap? It passed Dogecoin again. Everyone, it passed Dogecoin again. What? No way. It's gonna go for USD coin once again, everyone. So I'm pretty happy that I'm actually, because I was working, so now I'm not working and I can actually chill here and talk to you guys. And what is going on? So that candlestick is really bumping that 11 to 10 spot, 11 to 10 spot, 11 to 10 spot. Everyone, if you're liking the live stream right now, why don't you go ahead and give us a like? Thank you so very much. That will tell YouTube to spread out this live to more people, and that'll be amazing. Thank you so very much for stopping by. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. It's pure awesomeness, pure awesomeness. We are going up, up, but you see how this is behaving. It's insane. It's getting hot in here, actually, so I have to turn up the fan. What is going on? I mean, that's just insane. Well, we are here. We are here, everyone, and we're looking, we are reacting, and we're just having fun. My name is Oscar Ramos, everyone, and in this channel, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. I believe in long-term future. I believe in one day, you know, I'm a 90s kid, right? You may be an 80s kid or a 2000s kid, but we are here with one mission, one team. We want to be financially free. You have projects, you have stocks, you have funds, you have everything. In this case, what's going to happen at the moment is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu just came out from the shadows. Many people bought it early. I saw it on TikTok. I saw it different places. Yours truly was extremely skeptical. All my predictions about Shiba Inu have been negative, have been wrong. So what I'm doing right now is I'm reporting on the price, and I'm here telling you the way it is. You guys do you. My advice, honestly, on Shiba Inu, it's little to none, because I want to be completely transparent to you and tell you like it is, guys. And I'm here to learn. I'm here to experience. And I'm buying Shiba Inu just 2 days ago, and I'm making money. So yes. Elvis Ortega, the dollar signs, loving it. Crashing coming via Babylon. Well, I hope the crash comes. I mean, that'll be awesome to get in cheaper, because it's not that I didn't want to buy Shiba Inu like a month ago. I did want to buy it, but it was to me too high. You know what I'm saying, guys? So like I wanted a nice retracement, but no retracement came. It was just like up, 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 and up. So definitely that to me, I was like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. So look at this, guys. We're just chilling and looking. Let's go ahead and take a look once again at CoinMarketCap and what is happening here. Now, Coinbase is still down. Coinbase Pro, I can see it. It's all refreshing. And it's still Coinbase is down. Here the arrows have been changed, and this is loading. Man, what a madness day, gotta tell you. Yeah, Shiba Inu is gonna change lives. Also remember, Also remember, let's say that you put in a goal and you want to leave once Shiba Inu hits 3 zeros. It's your choice, right? But if you have made the money that you wanted since the beginning, there you guys have it. Some people want to wait till 1 cent. The title of this video is Shiba Inu 1 cent possible. And let me tell you to everyone who is watching, there's a no to that question. Easily, we could say no. Shiba Inu will never reach 1 cent easily, but at this point, anything can be possible and might as well throw in a few bucks and make money along the way. What do you guys think? Suggesting an entry point, bull. Great question. By looking at the Fibonacci retracement that I just created based on the top and the low that we had in the last 3 hours, anything in the 6, it's a good entry point by looking at this. But just look at this crazy candlestick, bro. Just look at this crazy candlestick. It just comes up and comes back down. Comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 levels in the Fibonacci. That, my friends, is the definition of madness. What does that mean is that it started here, it ended here, like it's just nonsense. Like, what? But I love it. We love it. I got my little 3 million coins, but I'm holding it. Not selling it. And you know what, guys? I only have $200 invested in Shiba Inu. And right here, I have $75 profit. Yes. How many Shiba Inus do you guys have? Post it in the chat right now. Let's see who can beat me. I have 3.5 million. 3.5 million. Yes, sir. 3.5 million Shiba Inus. Yes, guys, we got it. Can you guys beat us? Can you actually beat Oscar Ramos and Shiba Inus? Oh boy, yes you can. Yes you can. Very quickly, you can. Man, leave something for me, please. 8.3 million, which about more. 300 million, 66 million, 500 million. Where are my billion holder levels? Where are my billion holder levels? Come on. Take a look at this beauty. Oh boy. Oh, it comes up, it comes back down. It comes up, it comes back down. It's so fun, let me tell you. It's so fun. You invested 3K in September, got back 21K. Valentinos, please don't talk like that among the poor people. Gosh, that is having some guts. Golden level guts. That is incredible. 1 trillion minus. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Guys, if you're liking the live so far about Shiba Inu, why don't you go ahead and give us a like? And, well, what I talk about is many different crypto stocks, Roth IRA, and much more. Investing, right, for long-term success. If you like that, go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel right now. That'll be amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And welcome to the Oscar Ramos channel. Nice. What a nice day so far. I worked today. I ate today. I got a banana. I got some drinks. Pretty cool. And I thought, you know what? I had a great live earlier today. Why don't we go ahead and have a second live to end up the week, to end up like the day very strong. And while I'm here, answering all the questions you guys have and just reacting and just having a chill time. That is what it is. We're grinding, right? And we're reacting live because we go ahead and check CoinMarketCap. Coinbase is still crashing and back. Shiba Inu is back at 4078. It's bouncing. It's just it's a dance of 1 billion dance. Everything so far is Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, Cardano down, Solana. Solana is less than $200, guys. That's a very good entry. Polkadot 11. I mean, you have the deals of a lifetime right now on many different coins. The deals of a lifetime right now. So if you have money to invest, Don't forget about the other good ones. Let me tell you, right? Don't forget about the other good ones. Oscar, are you selling at zero, like at 1 cent? And on, let's first make that happen, and I'll tell you if I have the guts to sell. Because at 1 cent, typically human nature is gonna make us not sell anything. Probably, maybe, right? But I gotta tell you, um, getting at 1 cent is gonna be very difficult. Is it possible? I think the answer to that is yes, and here's why. Number one, listen closely, because you don't have any exchange like Nasdaq, S&P 500, or so, or like Nasdaq and other New York exchange, and you know what I'm saying, right? The fact that you don't have any mediator, intermediary, that makes this extremely more powerful. The only failure that I see here is from the exchanges that are not allowing massive buying purchases and power. The issue we're seeing right now is Coinbase, which I'm trying to refresh. I can buy it, or it seems that it's working on Coinbase Pro, but it's not on normal Coinbase. You see what I'm saying? Let's see if we refresh here. It seems that things are getting better for Coinbase. Oh, there it is. We're getting better on Coinbase, guys. On Coinbase Pro, we're getting better. There you go. There you go, baby. Nice and easy. I'm going to give some time to breathe. Coinbase is up and running again. Getting. So there it is. Coinbase is up again. Guess what many people are going to be doing right now? Yes, you guessed it right. They're probably going to be buying. I already have mine, and boy, do I want a nice pullback. Yes, please. Yes, please. But hey, I already have some. I belong to the Shiba army, and it feels so incredible. Welcome aboard, guys. You'll hope it hits $1 at that point. That's true, right? Valentino, Oscar, Zach, and Austin mentioned you on the live stream about an hour ago, saying it will be nice to have you on. Cheers to the boys. I don't have the pleasure of meeting them. Of course, I know about them because they're all over Shiba Inu. I'm a content creator. They're content creators, and they're doing really well. Zach, he started talking about I'm Token, and it was great to have a YouTube algorithm challenge with him. He stopped talking about I'm Token for a while. He went later on to other coins, and it was great. Then Shiba Inu exploded in October, and Zach just embraced Shiba Inu, and he's been doing, I think, a good job. I've been learning a lot from him. I've been just kind of watching him. I like he has small little clips, so that really helps with, as a content creator, I know how it works. So, I mean, he's doing it, and I believe they're going to make a lot of money, not only in YouTube, but overall. So cheers to them, and I'm sure they're going to do fine, right? I mean, that's the idea, doing fine in today's era. Oh boy, that was a nice water. Coinbase Pro will let you buy in, but doesn't have the right info. Really? Let's see. Well, Coinbase, here it is. So let's go trade, because I want to see who's winning. So Assemble Protocol and Jasmine dying. Typical. And what is winning? 69% Coinbase here, Shiba Inu. Bam. So we good. We making bucks. And still, I mean, just take a look at this, guys. The difference between Shiba Inu and Terra Luna is not really that. I mean, it's huge. That's what I'm saying. It's huge. So how in the world Shiba managed to jump from 15 or 16 billion to 32? That is just unprecedented. Just 2 days ago, we were at like 15, guys. Just 2 days ago. And now it is this. That's what I'm saying. Once again, anything can be possible with this cryptocurrency. Say what it is. Oscar, what's the best way to insert gains into the system? You know what I mean. Well, I think the best way for me to explain you this, like insert gains so more people buy. And so right now, if I go to Etherscan, I can show you, right, how There's a lot of holders. There's people holding and buying, and so just the top 50 holders. This person has $34 million in Shiba Inu, and the number three person has $3 billion, right? So that is amounts that we cannot describe in a piece of paper. That is huge, and those people are making so much money. So what you need to insert more money into the system is actually having more of those more individuals like that. But I am of the idea that having individual investors also helps a lot, which is you and me. Shiba is an anomaly. Nixie, yes, I agree with you. Completely agree with you. Look at this beauty, guys. We're seeing a nice candlesticks pullback on the Fibonacci retracement. Look at how it is dancing. You see, guys? This nice stuff. Hey, guys, you're liking the live stream. Go ahead and give us a like right now. Consider subscribing. So YouTube, what it does is start spreading out this live right now, and we get more people, and we keep chatting about Shiba Inu for a couple more hours. Thank you so very much for your support. And cheers from Texas, the US. Where you guys watching us from? That'll be awesome to hear. I'm here in Texas, USA, and I know we have people from all over. So I want to say hi to you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it so much. And welcome aboard. Shiba is breaking the exchange. Yes, I know. I can tell you it is happening. I can tell you that is happening today. That is happening today. We have Miami, San Antonio, London. My lord, that is good. I just added a pulpit with nothing because my computer is a little bit of a garbage today. So what do you think, guys? Shib all-time high breaking today. Now, that will mean 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Are we gonna see 3 zeros today? No way. That will be so insane. We have San Antonio, Australia, Connecticut, New York, Brazil. My lord, Denver, London, Canada, Texas. AMP is down. Why? All my beautiful AMP token holders, we're still holding AMP token strong. Why is it down? And why is everything down? Because there's something called Shiba Inu and it's getting everyone's attention. Your typical investor is pulling funds from those coins and deploying that in Shiba. It's just a change. It typically doesn't last too long, but it is what we're seeing so far. Welcome aboard to all the new viewers. Welcome. So here is the craziest thing ever, right? What we're seeing right now is just changes in the price that we cannot even comprehend. Just look at how the candlesticks are behaving. Look at how the candlesticks are behaving. Like, you don't see that. You don't see that too often. It's coming from 407 to 4080 to 406 to 4080. What is that? What is that? It's higher than Luna. Yes, it's higher than Luna. Very higher than Luna. Luna's market cap is like what? 18, 16, and Shiba Inu is like 30 or so. Shib goes to 2 zeros. I'm taking some out and throwing it in AMP. Investor saying you have the best strategy for your own portfolio. Kudos to you. That is nice. AMP is discounting. Everything is discounted. I said it. Yes, I said it a couple minutes ago. We go to crypto coin market cap. Bitcoin is at a great price. Ethereum is at a great price. Cardano is at a great price. Solana is at a great price. Avalanche is at a great price. Chainlink is at a great price. Algorand is at a great price. Shiba Inu right now is at a price that is just unprecedented. That is what it is. Like, I was reading a comment that someone dropped off in the previous live, and it's so true. He said, Shiba Inu is, you cannot put logic to it. It's on unlogical growth. And I like that because when I try to use my logic that I've used for all the different cryptocurrencies, when you try to use the Fibonacci's, the error size, the stochastic error size, the MACD, the simple moving average, the exponential moving average, just doesn't work. Just doesn't work. So what are you gonna do? Pues join the movement. I'm just saying, like, I mean, that is what it is. So if you can't beat them, join them. That is pretty much it, guys. San Jose, California. Nice stuff. The exchanges cannot handle the traffic. Yes, I got it. So let's go ahead and stop this poll and see what we have. Thank you so very much for stopping, guys. And make sure you like the video so you too spread out to more people. Thank you so very much for sticking with us. So Shiba breaking all-time high today with 123 votes. We have 88 yes. Well, just once again, by looking at this incredible changes in price, I can tell you, like, what is going on. What is going on? That is just insane. What I'm very looking forward to is the Robinhood listing. Yes, everyone. It's time to talk about the Robinhood listing. Bloomberg. Every time I hear Bloomberg or so, I see that people want Shiba listed. The petitions just pass thousands of petitions. So I think if Robinhood actually finally accepts Shiba Inu, what's going to end up happening is cause a massive outbreak effect in Robinhood systems, because there's going to be people buying so much Shiba like you've never seen before. Like, people were crazy with WCA, the SPAC. They went crazy with other crypto stocks. At the moment Shiba Inu hits Robinhood, if it does, yes, it will be just insanely crazy. Boy, look at those candlesticks. Boy, look at those candlesticks, guys. Look at that. And those are my Fibonacci retracement in the last, what, 2 hours or so? Because I left at 2, or like I started at 2. So yes, this happened in the last 2 hours. So this is 2 hours, and look at how the price is very close. It's very close. Robinhood looking likely. Yes, I know. Yeah, I mean, definitely. If that happens, my $200 invested that right now, let me see how much that is. We're looking at $70 profit. That's not bad. That's not bad. Honestly, that's not bad. So I see that a lot of you guys have millions and billions, so that's incredible. Guys, can't believe it. Sold my Jasmy. Yeah, people are selling some other one. Any notion on Jasmy? Well, Jasmy, Internet of Things, coming from Japan. Interesting. Haven't done my research profoundly, but many come to Coinbase. They shoot up because of the demand, and you really have to do your due diligence. I don't have any positions on Jasmy right now. The only crypto I'm focused right now today is Shiba Inu, which I have, and I just started new positions here. As I was saying with Robinhood, we're waiting on that, my man. We are waiting for Robinhood. Today it closed pretty down because of the earnings from the stock market and the earnings on the technology companies. So here it is, everyone. For those who are watching me right now, you're experiencing some nice stuff. The laggy man. My friend, what's up? What I can tell you guys is that a lot of people are quitting stocks today. A lot of people are quitting stocks today, or just during this week. Let me ask right now, my beautiful chat, are you doing stocks? Are you doing stocks? Stocks, guys. Who here does stocks? Because that's a good way of making money, but we just found a different way of making money. Oh boy, let me tell you. We just find a new way of making money. And my community, when I ask them all the time, and it seems that they do mostly cryptocurrency. They mostly do cryptocurrency, everyone. And that is insane. Just Tesla, they say. Tesla becoming a $1 trillion company. Kudos to Hertz for buying all those Teslas, right? Kudos to Hertz. That is amazing. It's gonna go chill in 2 to 5 hours. Well, I hope so we can have a little bit more consolidation. So here's another 5 minute, and it's consolidated right about here, everyone. We see these prices, we see this nice. So far, it's just in the second and almost to last one Fibonacci retracement. Man, it's just handling in there, not moving too much, just handling in there. You guys are liking the live. We're talking about Shiba Inu. The title of this video is 1 cent possible. And if you just got here, let me tell you something. Yours truly, was pretty wrong about Shiba Inu at the beginning. I've said, and I want you to know this because I like to be transparent. I have nothing to hide to you, nothing. I've said somewhere here, just take a look at this. I said something here. You know, it's pretty high. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. You understand that? I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Never came. It was right here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Never came. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Never came. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Never came. I'm gonna wait. So you see what I'm saying with this? You guys understand what I'm saying with this? Like, it is what it is. It is a cryptocurrency that it is unprecedented. The fact that it took Dogecoin years to get to where it is right now, and Shiba Inu, what? Not even 1 year. It is an unprecedented move. It is an unprecedented move. So if you have money to put in Shiba, YOLO it and make money, let's go. Coinbase not working. Really? Come on, Coinbase. You have one job. Let's go ahead and refresh this beauty. You have one job, Coinbase. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Shiba Inu 29, 32. The holders. I'm refreshing everything. Coinbase is working here in Texas. Coinbase Pro, it seems to be working too. And we have still Shiba Inu at position 11, and it's coming back up. It's coming back up. Is this live? Yes, this is live. We're seeing me and you're watching me live. So, closing the poll right now with about 100 or so votes, and it does seem that most of us, we don't do stocks. Cool. So with 59% people are not doing stocks, 40% do stocks. I wonder which cryptocurrencies they put in their money in, right? Risk 100. Why everyone else is saying 0.1 not possible? Mr. Steve Gregg, allow me to explain. In a typical normal scenario, when you have a 1 quadrillion or a little bit less than 1 quadrillion token supply, you have a price that is very cheap, and then you have a dog representing a cryptocurrency. In a typical normal scenario, that will be nuts, and nobody will trust you. Nobody will give you the seriousness that you deserve because it's that kind of a coin. The difference here is that Shiba Inu has been putting the numbers. You put in the numbers, you're going to get the attention. You put in the numbers, people are going to look at you. You put in the numbers, you don't have to show anything else because you're putting the numbers. Do you see what I'm saying? There's so many cryptocurrencies that I can tell you. I can tell you very in detail: Cardano, Algorand, Token, Chainlink, Anchor, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I can go on and on and on. Are they putting their numbers? Yes, they were, and yes, they will. But what about today? Are they? And the answer to that is no. Now, that's just true. That is absolute and complete true. What I said is facts. Facts completely. Shiba Inu is putting the numbers right now, and that is why people are believing in it. And that is why you have millions of people rallying behind Shiba Inu. So incredible. Oh, man. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Appreciate it. We have 400 people watching, and can we get 200 likes if you're enjoying the live stream right now? Please go ahead and smash that like button. Thank you so very much. The laggy man. No more working. Shiba Inu to the moon. Cheers. Shiba Inu. Man, my 3.5 million Shiba Inu. If they become 1 cent, I'll be looking at around a profit of what? About $1,000 to $5,000 easily. Can you imagine that? Got a like, bro. Thank you, Jan. Appreciate it. Thank you. Welcome to the live. We're just having a good time talking. Oh, what a beautiful. What a beautiful. Ah, there you go, guys. That is incredible. Right now, this is, what is this? What is this? Well, what I can tell you is that in every 5 minutes, the price has gone from here to here and back. From here to here and back. From here to here and back. So it's not like something as we were seeing in the past where it was just slowly but surely. No, it's just moving. It looks like a comb to me. Looks like a comb. Nice stuff. Man, so far the price of Shiba Inu chilling and relaxing. That's what we all love to see. That fluctuation is due to changes going ballistic. Yes, it is. It's just going ballistic. What can I tell you? It's just going nuts. But from the last point of the Fibonacci, which we had about an hour and a half ago, it has risen from 4 zeros and 6 to 4 zeros and 8. So that is pretty cool. So if you are bullish on Shiba Inu, if you are bullish there, boom, this will be a time to think about maybe adding some positions. I have my positions, and those are pretty cool. Now, let's go in the chat right now. Let's put in some nice hype here. How many Shiba Inus do you own? Can you beat me, Oscar Ramos? How many do I have? I have 3.5 million Shiba Inus, and I know many of you will never beat me. 3.5 million. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How many you guys have? Let's see who has the most, which I know most of you are going to completely beat me. Most of you are going to probably completely beat me, but it's all right. It's what happens. It is what happens. That's what happens when you getting very late. We have 785,310 million. Where are my billion ones? Oscar, my main question, and I just lost your question. Matic is a good one, but if you want to convert it to Shiba, it's your choice, my man. That's what I talk in the channel right now. It's risk. 1.5 billion. It's risky, but you gotta measure your risk. That's what it is. This is a game. This is a gamble. But if you hold long term with diamond hands, then you get a result. Look at that. 1,800,000,037,000,000. Half a ship. Nice. Nice. And who is he? I mean, let's go ahead and ask the Shiba army right now. Are you... Let's go ahead and ask. This is a pretty personal question, right? Personal and strong questions. Who from here is selling for profits today? Who from here? Let me see what you guys have to say, because you see the price of Shiba Inu right now. You see what's happening right now. Are you gonna continue holding, expecting the 3 zeros, or are you saying, hey, I think this is the time to quit it and buy when it drops? What are you gonna do? Let's go ahead and find out. Let's go ahead and find out, everyone. I sold off to pay my card. Crypto Juan, really? Kudos. What card do you get? What card do you get? That's pretty cool. Not today, people say it, but what? 1 cent dream? The 1 cent dream? That would be pretty cool. Holding strong. Holding strong. That's what we do. Holding strong. And if you guys are liking the live stream so far, why don't you consider go ahead and subscribing to the channel right now so you never miss another update on cryptocurrencies. I talk about crypto, stocks, Roth IRA. I love them to death because I'm looking for the future. I want nice, beautiful investments that can just allow me to stop working, right? That's what it is. You may like your job, and if you like it, kudos to you. But the idea here is to make money passively, engage with the community, invest your money instead of that brand new phone, or instead of that whatever toy you have, TV, new shoes, car, or whatever. Putting money in investments gives you the best return. I'm just saying. And welcome aboard, everyone. Thank you so very much. Wow, I started to see some of the boats right now, and man, there's some people that are about to sell today. What do you think about that, guys? Some people are gonna be selling today. Wow. Will I sell? Absolutely not. I just got in. Why would I sell? I'm already making $70. Now, some of you already make way more money, right? That's what it is. So the question stands. Are you gonna sell tonight? How much money have you made with Shiba Inu so far? That is a beautiful question. Mine is $70. $70. Boom. $70 going to the chat right now. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna be crushing those $70, right? That's nothing. That is nothing. 4,500, 7 figures. Over $100. Kudos, guys. $650, $900, $800. So it seems that you just got in a couple days ago, or probably yesterday. 100K. No kidding. Wow. 10,000, 2,000. Coinbase acting crazy. I know, typical Coinbase. You can tell why it's acting crazy because of this changing in price. I mean, that's what it is, guys. It is what it is. I see the support here for Shiba Inu. Keep it up, guys. It's your chat. It's the army. It's us. Let's go for it. We're making money with these cryptocurrencies. Why not? Gladly, I'm getting some money pretty soon, and that will allow me to have some positions added. Of course, measuring your risk and to the moon. Let's go ahead and close this poll right now, everyone, and see what we got. Everyone. Let's see. Weeble working. Thank you so very much for telling me that. Stan, appreciate it. So 86% of people out of 300 votes are saying no, but we have 13% saying yes. So you guys, what is the message you want to give to those 13% people? That's a lot. That is about going to be 50, 60 people or so. What are you going to tell them? Hold, stop. What is the argument for not selling? Well, here is mine. As you take over the chat, it's your chat, guys. Mine is, well, I already put in some money that I can afford losing because I just bought it yesterday. You guys bought way earlier than me. If you're already in this, might as well see the end result. Worst case scenario, you get your principal back. Best case scenario, you get a lot of money back and you belong to a community. And that will be like a nice story to tell to your kids and family one day, right? So Robinhood, when that happens, just imagine the amount of people that will come in, and you and I will be already miles ahead. If I'm not mistaken, when Dogecoin came into Robinhood, it was at around 2 zeros or 3 zeros. So we are at 4 zeros. So if Shiba Inu gets to 2 zeros and is listed on Robinhood, I mean, stupid amount of growth. Like this is gonna be like insane amount of growth, guys. Like what it is. Everyone, go ahead and like the live right now so you to start spreading this good news to more people. That will be amazing. And thank you so very much for the support. Consider subscribing. We're talking about cryptocurrencies, investing, and much more. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. And thank you for all the creators and the community. That is pretty cool. Thank you, guys. Oscar, alert Coinbase. The system is not prepared for the 3 zeros. That is what they're fixing on Coinbase. Yes, absolutely right. It is what it is. But that is refreshing because if this was in stock market, first and foremost, they would have halted Shiba Inu so fast, so quickly, as if it was a stock. I know they cannot halt like cryptocurrencies, right? But at this point, we see like the weaknesses. First and foremost, we see that the first weakness is that the Coinbase, like the exchanges, cannot handle all this pressure that we're seeing and the changes. Like, look at this, guys. This is a little bit weird what we're seeing right now. It is the first time that we get to see this in a long time. Like, I'm zooming back. First time I see this, where we have these massive changes, and it seems that it's about to stop. You see this curve right here? It seems that it could be about to stop. Now, what's gonna happen next, could look like as a negative trend as it's forming right now. So we're still checking. I know some people cannot buy Shiba Inu because of Coinbase, but we're still checking what could happen. $3,000 in one day, my lord. Wow. Correct. That in technical analysis called double top. 1, 2 top. When you have a double bottom, that is a bullish pattern. When you have a double top, usually that is a bearish pattern. Thank you for telling me that. Appreciate it. What is your opinion on Saitama? Easily, I'm going to tell you right now. Don't follow my opinion on meme coins. Yes. What are you saying, Oscar? What are you saying? I'm saying this. When it comes to meme coins, Saitama, Shiba Inu, please, I like to enjoy their journey because everything that I say doesn't become a reality because my mind is very logical and fundamentally based. With Shiba, Saitama, and many others, you have to freeze that, put it aside, and bring the community and hype formula here. And that is something that I cannot process, right? So if you like Saitama, and if it's cheap, and if it's gaining popularity, guess what it could happen? I leave it to you, my friends. I leave it to you. So we all understand right here. Because if you would have followed my advice on Shiba, you will be like where I am right now, earning about $70 to $80 profit. You see what I'm saying? I want everybody to understand because that's the kind of person I am. I'm transparent. I'm not here lying everyone and saying, yes, I've said at the very beginning that Shiba was a great price. No. That was the total opposite I've said. But I can handle it. I can handle it. Coinbase no sell button? No way, really? Wow. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So, I'm refreshing these beauties. We're making $85 so far. That is amazing, guys. That is amazing. Oh, wow. CoinMarketCap, too many host readers. No way. Really? Even CoinMarketCap is down? My portfolios are not loading. Coinbase is laggy. Oh, there it is. Now it's loading a little bit faster. Guys, it is breaking out. This thing is breaking so bad. Oh, wow. So you see what's happening? Why is Shiba going up and down? Exactly, because everybody's trying to check it. The exchanges are not allowing for a smooth transition and a smooth transactions. We're just seeing this for the first time, in my opinion. We're just seeing as it goes. It is what it is. We got to take it. And welcome aboard, guys. Thank you so much for coming to the live. Thank you. Where are you guys watching us from? I'm here in Texas. You guys watching us from in Hawaii, Miami, Europe, New York, all these beautiful places. Mexico. Guys, hablo español también. A todos mis latinos hispanos, un saludo enorme. Los quiero un chorro. Muchas gracias por su apoyo. Yes, I basically said if you don't know Spanish, I'll translate. Just say greetings to all my Hispanic and Mexican and Latino friends. Bells Castro with the first super chat of the day and the stream. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nice. Dubai, Georgia, Miami, Tulum. Nice. Philippines, Nicaragua. Bro, that is incredible. Let's get rich, people. It's true. It's true. You guys like in the live stream, go ahead and smash that like button, destroy it, so YouTube does its job, and go ahead and continue sharing this with more people. We're talking about Shiba Inu and looking at the price of what, as far as what's happening right now, and that's it. Just having a good time talking with fam. That is it. Woo! Foxhound, hola hermoso, me alegro que Shiba Inu vaya. It's true, it's making a good, nice pattern here. Double top, coming back down. It's all looking as it's now continuing from this height of 4085 to 407. 407. And it's still coming back down, everyone. Look at this, guys. Alert. Alert. Take a look at the bottom. Massive and nice and delicious selling, which it kind of makes sense here. You see that? Selling starting to happen. Selling starting to happen, everyone. From what I see right now in the last 5, 10, 15, 20, like in the last half an hour, there's a lot of selling. And there it goes, the price. There it goes, the price. Where are my diamond handers here? Where are my diamond handers here, guys? There it goes, the price is coming back down a little bit more. So you remember at the beginning of the live, I was asking for a retracement. I think we're getting one today. I think we're getting one today, everyone. Here's the all-time high of 4,088. Probably we're getting one done today. Draven, thank you, my man, for another super chat. Every time you talk with hand gestures, the glint of the diamond hands hurt my eyes. Thanks for the second stream. Yes. Thank you, Draven. Appreciate your awesome and kind support. Thank you, my man. Look at this. Ooh! Ooh! Yes. Now, I'm celebrating because you can buy at a cheaper price. You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying. Holding. Hey, Craig. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Holding, baby. Now, it's going to come to a point where I started my entry, which if I go back to, oh boy, sell-off is happening, guys. Sell-off is happening, and we're getting everything live for you right now. Welcome aboard to the live stream, everyone. Give us a like and a subscribe, please. That will be awesome, and thank you for the support. Thank you so very much. Talk about stocks, short, and crypto, and let me go ahead and answer a question right now. And this question is so personal to all the Shiba Inu holders. Where diamond hands, Shiba diamond hands, or sell-off? Shiba diamond hands, or are you selling right now? We are diamond handing, everybody. I mean, we're already here. Why are we gonna sell? I mean, that's just my thinking, my own personal opinion, right? I just lost 65K from being up 950K. What should I do? Block max. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to crypto, because in crypto, you go up and you go down very quickly. Very quickly. Bound to happen. Not gonna sell. I mean, when in doubt, zoom out. That's a phrase that we use a lot. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at this one. There was another massive sell-off right here on October 27, which is today actually. So, oh boy, look at this. Look at this. My Lord. So massive sell-offs, and the volumes are increasing in the sell-offs, everyone. Alrighty. So some stop losses are triggering right now. Some stop losses are triggering right now. I'm not selling, by the way. I'm just going to let you know right now. I'm not selling. I already have the money ready. I think this is the community that is really just starting, and why am I going to sell right now? Makes no sense to me. Welcome aboard, everyone. Having a good time right now. It's 4:50 p.m. Central Time here in the United States, and we're having fun. Whoo! And the price is still dropping. So basic pattern double top comes up and then starts selling off. So that was the second top of 4085, the time to sell for profit, and right now will be the time to buy for a lower position here on Shiba Inu, or just hold it and you save a lot yourself from that emotion. There's a lot of emotion right now. Let's go ahead and close the poll right now, everyone. We have 250 votes, and let's go ahead and see what the army has to say. With 85% diamond handlers, we are diamond handlers here. Some people are selling. So in the two polls that I conducted, people are selling today, and so most of the people are holding, which makes total sense. Oh boy, look at that candlestick. You see that? Very quickly. So here it is. I love this because now buyers come in. It's a battle against buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers. It's a battle. They come in, they go out. They come in, they go out. It's beautiful. Plus, having Coinbase down a little bit really hurts a lot when it comes to the buying, because you cannot buy and you are now worried. When Coinbase or any other exchange is down due to this, immediately triggers this feeling of worriness in the market and with people. Makes a lot of sense. What about Ben? Loving it, holding it. I know it's extremely down. It's like right now peanuts price. Everything is peanuts price. My Algorand under 2. My Cardano under 2. I'm holding them. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I'm holding it. I'm happy with it. I'm looking ahead in the future. I'm holding my AMP. I'm holding my everything. No problem. I just got into Shiba. I made money. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Go ahead and refresh this beauty. We are making what? $60 so far. $60 so far. Nicely done. Nicely done. Look at this, guys. What a beauty. What a beauty. Incredible stuff, don't you think, guys? Incredible stuff. When you try to sell on Coinbase, the transaction is canceled. Are you kidding me? No way. That is messed up. So when you try to sell on Coinbase, the transaction is canceled. No, I cannot do it right here because it's going to ask me for some things, and it's going to mess up my computer. But if that's the case, then we have a problem. We have a big problem there. And I know a lot of people from the Shiba Army are going to start bouncing Coinbase on Twitter. That's for sure. That's for sure. Well, we go. The buyers are coming in right now. I mean, we're exciting times. Thank you for the follows and everything. Appreciate it. Did you see a few hours ago with the 88 spy how fast it went down and up? Yes, Lionel, I saw the whole thing. I was working. So I had a live earlier today. I had to work. It was great. And I came back and I'm continuing the conversation with a part 2 of this. And I missed this nice pullback right about here. And now I came in for this one. And now we're here. So look at what's happening, guys. Let's go ahead and zoom out right here. We still have the Fibonacci, and it didn't reach the first level of the Fibonacci in the last 2 hours. When we continue zooming out, we're going to see that Shiba Inu hasn't had a pullback or crash level 10, 20, 30% yet, which that could happen. It is a realistic time and it is a realistic conversation, but it hasn't happened yet because people are holding, and that is always good. And at that moment, at any moment, the price can just come back up and change the whole thing, because that's what's been happening. And that is why this cryptocurrency, it is unprecedented and it's hard to predict. It's hard to predict. That's what I can tell you. Whew, nice stuff. Do you really think bubble has arrived and will break out? Big bubble has arrived. The big bubble, you mean? I hope that you're not meaning a cryptocurrency. I think as a bubble, this, uh, who knows? Looks like a nice supply and demand level 70. Nice. Yes, we have it right here, as you see now, right now. The volume, the supply, things are happening. Volume with 58.119. Average volume 23. Insane stuff. You're seeing all. You're seeing all, everyone. I like this, how the price came back up because of the buying. So you see this? This is exciting, let me tell you. This right here at the bottom is exciting because there's buyers coming in. So they found this price at the bottom. They filled some orders and they're still believing in the project. So that makes me believe that this is a small stop sign for the price of Shiba Inu. What do you guys think? I think it's a small stop sign, honestly. By looking at things, I mean, doesn't seem like it's gonna be hurting the price of Shiba Inu that much. You know what I'm saying? If you say, guys, like in the live stream, we have more than 800 people watching. Thank you very much. You're awesome, incredible support. Well, I'm here, yours truly. Any questions that you have, post it in the chat, and I'll be able to see some of them and help you guys up. Hey, Adam, good to see you, buddy. And if you want to talk to me more one-on-one, there's all my links down below for your free for your Patreon. You join my Discord. That'll be awesome support. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. And if anything, I'm here. Really happy to talk about cryptocurrencies. I've been studying crypto since the beginning of 2021, and what I can tell you is that it's great that in 2021 the government is barely getting catch up, but by then you already can become a millionaire by investing in crypto like this and in other cryptocurrencies that have massive future. So better late than ever. Better late than ever, that I can tell you. And it's coming up. It's coming up. So why don't you go ahead and give us a like so we get to, more than 800 people watching. Can we get to 300 likes? That'll be amazing, guys. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Let's see. So far, if I refresh this video, I'm still around the $70 profit. And we go ahead and check on Coinbase, Assemble Protocol. Look at this. Assemble Protocol down, Jasmine down, Badger down, ARPA Chain down, NU Cipher down. So all of these five were really up. Even Alchemy Pay is under 5 cents. Gosh. Things are dying right now today. And Shiba Inu, 48%, 1-inch True 5 mask, doing amazing. Look at these beauties. Here on the on CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin down and Shiba Inu, it's rising. And on the Shiba Inu holders, we are seeing even more gains so far. Santa Fe, hey, welcome, buddy. We have a second live. We're here grinding. Appreciate it, guys, your support. We're grinding here. Insane stuff, everyone. That I can tell you. Insane stuff. Oof. What in the world will continue happening? You're building some strong support at these levels. Yes, it's happening right about here. 3 zeros tonight. That's the question. 3 zeros tonight. Will that happen? Poll to the masses. 3 zeros tonight. 3 zeros tonight. Can you imagine that? Insane stuff. That will be a new all-time high. Oh, new all-time high for Shiba. 5 p.m. Wow. Time flies by so fast. Time flies by so fast. Wow, it's insane stuff. What's up with AMP tokens, Aquarius? We're still holding AMP. Once again, we're still holding all of my previous investments. I'm not moving anything. Not moving anything. Said it many times, and I'll say it once again. They're there doing nice. Doing nice. Um, but yeah, I mean, guys, I made money today, which is great with Shiba Inu. I made money yesterday with Shiba Inu because I just bought it and I wanted to hold it, and boom, there it is. So I know a lot of people, guys, massively making money. Some people it's doing selling, some people doing not selling, diamond handing, of course. I'm picking another job just for this. Aaron, I know what you're saying, right? I know what you're saying. How much profit do you have on Shiba Inu? $70. I know it's not much, but it is what it is. I have 3.5 million Shivas. Yes. Who from here can beat me? My 3.5 million Shivas. I know many of you want. I know that. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and tell me how many Shivas you guys have. So you blast my little amount, because guess what? I bought pretty late, and it is what happens. It is what happens. You think 3-0 tonight? Anything can be possible, to be honest with you, buddy. If Shiba continues rising, definitely. If it stays at this price in a consolidating stage, following the Fibonacci for a while until tonight, I think that will be even better for people who want to get in. And we have 25 million Shiba, 10 million, 4 million, 62 million. My Lord. You guys see that? You guys see that? Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. That is insane. Pretty happy that when you Google or you go to YouTube, we have other creators doing their lives. That's pretty awesome, guys. Insane. Thank you so much for the support. Honestly, more than 300 likes. You guys are insane. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Look at all of these Shivas. 5.6 billion, Mad Ghost. What are you doing here telling us that to our faces? Cannot believe it. Cannot believe it. So who from here? Let's see. You guys got some Shiboshis? If you guys got some Shiboshis, you got to share. I'm just kidding. Of course not. But if you got some Shiboshis, which is, of course, the NFT official from Shiba Inu, that'll be amazing. You have one Shiba coin? Kudos. There you go. 300 and something votes. Let's go ahead and close this poll and see what the people are saying. And mostly, of course, yes. So there's a lot of huge hype and momentum for this one, and we'll see what happens. Absolutely. Man, what a beauty. What a beauty. So, okay, let's go ahead and have a conversation on this indicators, because I like to do some analysis for you here. I'm going to go ahead and open my Bollinger Band. So pay attention to this, everyone. I like to do some analysis and take it with a grain of salt, please. This is unprecedented movement. So what we're seeing right now on the screen is the lines for the RSI, relative strength index. So when you see it overbought, typically is when people sell. When you see it under this bottom line, that's when you see when it's oversold, and that's when people bought. At this moment, this is what we're seeing. I have my Bollinger Bands that help me see the top and bottom price, and the Bollinger Bands respect. You see how they respect? So right now it's down here. The price could continue climbing up to 4.86 once again by following the Bollinger Bands analysis. And look at the RSI in the last 5 minutes, tells me that still there could be a way up. So that's what it tells me. That's what it tells me. I think it's a pretty good thing to understand this when you do the way I like it, which is going all the way to the year to date. You guys see that the Bollinger Bands and the RSI are completely out of the equation. So it's they are extremely passing the values. That means that technically flash crashes could come if sellers come really strong. You see what I'm saying? Flash crashes could come if sellers just come and start dropping all the Shiba Inus that they bought. But so far, we have this, and we're looking at the price, and it's looking delicious. Look at this. I love how it looks. I love how it looks. There you go. You bought at 505. That's pretty cool. That is amazing. Hey, Robbie, what's up, buddy? Why you didn't sell AMP for Shiba? Because I don't want to. It's just a choice, right? We have choices. I don't want to. That is what it is. I do have some money on the side that I can buy Shiba. That's what it is. I love it. I love it. At the end of the day, we all measure risk and we have our different buckets. That's one thing I was telling in my earlier stream. Some people will buy with everything they have Shiba Inu, and that's great. And kudos to you if you make a lot of money. Some of us will want to dedicate some buckets specifically for this type of coins, and I'm one of those people. Gotta tell you that. It's just I always manage my risk carefully. That's what it is. I move some positions in the stock market, which I'm gonna have more money available, and I'll be able to buy more cryptocurrencies with that money. Yes, I will. I will. Perfect. So right now, that's what I have, guys. I mean, incredible stuff. Incredible stuff with Shiba Inu. Nice prices so far. Nice engagement, and what else? We'll see what happens in the rest of the day, because I mean it's just getting very, very crazy. Having fun today. Cheers from South Carolina. Thank you so very much for this. Southern California. Awesome. Thank you so much for the support. $10 super chat. That is incredible. Just traded Ethereum to Shiba to rejoin Ethereum stronger. Not bad at all. Hold and stake. You won't regret it 5 years. Pump. Dumping whales. That might happen too, guys. My friends, here is where I say goodbye. Here's where I stop this transmission because it's time for me to continue with other stuff. But what I can tell you guys is incredible. It's like, what an amazing support. The price of Shiba Inu is still doing well. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. If the price continues rising, we'll be back. If the price continues crashing or starts crashing, we'll still be back and have our opinion and more videos for you guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you did it, thank you for considering that support. Make sure before you leave, go ahead and like the video right now so YouTube continues doing its work. And thank you guys, honestly. It's a pleasure to be here with you. It's a pleasure to analyze all of this craziness with you, because at the end of the day, you and I want, I'm from Mexico. I have my channel. You want to check it out. I'm from Mexico. So you and I want to get that financial freedom deliciousness. All right. I'll see you next time, everyone. We did it. So far, price of Shiba Inu pretty steady. What I can tell you is that at the moment, having a good time with Shiba. I'm making money. And that's what we care about, making money. Have a good one, everyone. Take it easy. Please be safe. And I'll see you next time. God bless you guys. Peace. Take it easy, guys. Appreciate your support. Honestly, thank you so much. Buy and hold, baby. Peace.